Hey guys, Minecraft Girl 26. Today we are unboxing a 02 figure. Help me. This is my second. Why am I laughing? Yeah. I'm gonna fail, so I unboxed the Hatsune Miku figure over there, and that was like the first unboxing video. I failed really badly because I didn't know there were tape on the sides, but this time I know there are tape on the sides, so we are not gonna fail this time, or maybe we are. Let's attempt to cut this while I'm holding the camera. Um, yeah, this is gonna be another fail. I'm struggling. Hold on. Okay, I got that side. Always, if you get like anime figures, keep the boxes. Okay, and so yeah, just do it. Okay, come on, box open. Okay, I did it. You guys proud? Oh look, they're advertising Japan Fun Time for 5% off your That's nice. Let's put the card back in there. Okay, there's the stand. It's all messed up. So on the back I saw that it's like you have to put her together, which is really creepy. Okay, so I'm weird today. Also, I'm getting new glasses. These are my current ones. And they'll be coming in like a week or two or something. Yeah, so also yeah, okay, there's tape right here. Wait, let me put the camera down. Okay, so we're just gonna proceed to rip the bubble wrap off of Oni 02, whatever you want to call her. Her horns are actually really sharp. That's like okay. That's. Oh, there's her arm and her hand. Okay, I'm going to put the camera down again so I can actually take this off of her. Okay, we got the figure out. So now we gotta like take her arm and her hand out in the stand. We're gonna cut it very, very slowly. I'm weird. Okay, let's just rip that off. Okay, we got the stand. Doesn't say anything on it like it does with Hatsune Miku. Then we will take the arm and the hand out. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down again. Yeah. Okay, I got the arm and the hand out. There's a big mess over there, and there's the box. Let's flip it over. And then let's try and put the arm on. I got this. Okay, I got this. How does this go on? I mean, I'm fitting the thing into... Okay, another moment where I have to put the camera down. Alright, we did it. She's put together. Now, I will attempt to put her on the stand. Why? It's so difficult. Okay, okay. Okay, we did it. Now, we finally put together the 02 figure, It's really cool. Her horns are actually sharp. Like they poke. And so yeah, 02 figure. Thanks for watching. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye.